On Monday for breakfast, we have oatmeal chocolate cereal bar, fruit, juice, and milk. On Monday for lunch, we have pepperoni pizza, golden corn, fruit, and milk. On Tuesday for breakfast, we have blueberry muffin, fruit, juice, and milk. On Tuesday for lunch, we have chicken tenders, broccoli florets, orange glazed carrots, fruit, and milk. On Wednesday for breakfast, we have morning sausage roll, fruit, juice, and milk. On Wednesday for lunch, we have hamburger cheeseburger, burger salad, potato crinkle cut fries, fruit, and milk. On Thursday for breakfast, we have pancake with sausage patty, fruit, juice, and milk. On Thursday for lunch, we have cheese enchiladas, Spanish rice, seasoned pinto beans, lettuce and tomato salad, fruit, and milk. On Friday for breakfast, we have honey bun, fruit, juice, and milk. On Friday for lunch, we have chicken burger, burger salad, sweet potato waffle fries, fruit, and milk.